So let's start to open this parcel from GNT Express. Actually it was 2 weeks ago, I think. Okay. Let's just open. Okay. There is inside this package or parcel is 3 Tuxido, red, brown, and blue pairs of pants, same color, Tuxido and pants, or Tuxido with pants. I think this is not thick. I think these are not thick Tuxido and pants. Let's just open it. Look, brown, like what I've said. I already thought that this is pants. Let's just open it. Where's the pants? Look. And this is all look, but the red, oh my goodness, the red, look, the red is not with inside. What? Oh my goodness. Brown. So disappointed. Oh my goodness. Where's the red? And these are pair Tuxido with long pants. Look, take a look. Red is not included. Actually, I ordered 3: red, brown, and blue, light blue Tuxido, or sky blue with long pants, pair of long pants. Let's just open. Look, take a look closely. Tuxido with long pants. So let's just open it. Look. Long pants. Long pants. Look. The long pants. And Tuxido. let's just put there and try to open it. Tuxido with my pants. Look. Napakanipis lang niya. So, ayan. Ito yung tuxedo. Tuxedo siya. So, yan. Brown tuxedo. Yung isang pula na hindi nakasama. So yun lang ang unbox. Yun lang yung unbox natin ngayon. Ayusin ko pa. Susukat ko muna. Yun lang muna. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye. Face. Sobrang dilim. May tuxedo. Here's my proof na ako yung may-ari ng video na to. Ito yung proof. Ito yung proof. Yan. Ito yung proof na ako yung may-ari ng video na to. So, yun lang. Bye.